B-SELFIE DEEP. B-SELFIE DEEP is a professional-level beauty treatment designed for home use. Easy, fast and pain-free. It promotes an instant and long-lasting Botox-like and filler-like tensor effect. How B-SELFIE DEEP works. Its revolutionary technology penetrates deep down, completely painlessly and with no bleeding, spreading an extraordinary revitalizing serum. How to use B-SELFIE DEEP. The application of the product is very simple and allows you to choose between the microneedles for intraepidermal spreading and the applicator for topical use. Before starting the treatment, cleanse your face with B-SELFIE Angel micellar water and disinfect the skin. Take the transparent bag from the pack of B-SELFIE Deep and open it to extract the head. Now take the syringe and assemble the head by screwing it onto the syringe. Remove the protective cap and avoid touching the microneedles. Then start the application. Place the syringe vertically on the skin, exerting a light pressure. Press once on the plunger, then move it on to the surrounding area, repeating the procedure. Starting from the area around the lips, proceed from the center of the face towards the contour, both on the left and right sides of the face. With one syringe, you can press the plunger about 35 times. Always remember not to rub the applicator with the microneedles on the skin. It could hurt. One syringe is enough for complete treatment: face, forehead and neck. Now perform the same procedure on the forehead, starting from the center upwards. Finally, distribute the excess product over the face by gently tapping with your fingertips until it is completely absorbed. The pre-filled syringe releases a precise and functional amount of serum each time the plunger is pressed. In-skin application may cause a slight redness that fades quickly. If you prefer the topical application, assemble the plastic applicator onto the syringe and release the serum over the entire surface to be treated. Distribute it by tapping it with your fingertips until it is completely absorbed. To complete the treatment, we recommend applying the B-SELFIE Infinity Beauty Mask. Open the sachet and take out the mask, then put it on your face. While you wait for B-SELFIE Infinity to act on your skin, relax and hold the mask in place. After 20 minutes, take off the mask and massage the face until the excess product is completely absorbed. Now you can finish your beauty treatment with B-SELFIE Miracle Cream. Place a walnut-sized amount of cream on your hand and apply it to your face, massaging it until it is completely absorbed. Your extraordinary beauty treatment, B-SELFIE Deep, which is very easy to apply and with immediate effect, is complete.